YouTubers, JD here, and we're gonna clean this iPhone screen. And it's something that you may not know, you may have known or forgot about. You can use a piece of leather. This is about between a 5 and 8 ounce piece. You just want to rub it on the screen like this, and it works great on eyeglasses too. You just keep rubbing it, clean it off. Sorry, the camera's moving. Like this. And eventually you'll have a very clean screen. Do the corners with the edges. So that's what I want to show you. It's just something very simple. Get that about, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.